Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher, Shamla Miss. Today, I would like to teach the first lesson Operating System and Graphical User Interface, Role and Functions. In this lesson, the first topic is Introduction to Hardware and Software. As we learned in the 7th class, hardware in detail. In 7th class, the first lesson is hardware. I think you have learned the lesson deeply in the 7th class only. Once again, I would like to revise the definition of hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer which we can touch and feel. Hardware consists of devices such as monitor, keyboard, motherboard, SMPS, etc. Means the physical parts which we can touch. Those devices are called hardware devices. The hardware devices are monitor, keyboard, SMPS, CDs, storage devices like CDs, pen drives. These are all what we can touch and carry with us. Those are called hardware devices. Now, come to the definition of software. Software refers to the instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. It is not a physical part, but it is stored on a physical medium. Means software is a programs, that is set of programs that tell the hardware what to do and when to do and how to operate a physical device. In this class, we learn the software in detail. In 7th class, we learn the hardware in detail, and in 8th class, we are going to learn the software in detail. Now, shall we learn the interrelation between hardware and software? The interrelation means the software and hardware are interdependent on each other. Now, come to this interrelation. The first point is hardware and software are interdependent, means both are depend on each other. Second one is both are complementary to each other. And the third point is hardware needs the software to operate. Only with the hardware we can't do anything. That is just a machine. Without software, that is just a machine. And the fourth point is software cannot be utilized without the support of hardware. Without hardware, the software is nothing. If we develop a software, while developing the software, we are using the hardware. Without software, the hardware is nothing. It's just a machine. Okay, that's why hardware and software both are interrelated. Now, come to the types of softwares. There are two types of computer softwares. Those are application software and system software. Types of software is application software and system software. Now, come to the definition of application software. The application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business functions. Each program is designed to assist the user with a particular process which may relate it to productivity, creativity, and or communication. Means nowadays we are using the apps. We are using the apps like WhatsApp, Facebook app, and some other apps also what we need. Generally, we are using the games, that those are also called applications. Those are also called applications. These applications are meant only for a particular process. These are called application software. The application software is only meant for a specific task, not for the other. For example, WhatsApp is there. We are using the WhatsApp, but we cannot use the WhatsApp in the Facebook. The WhatsApp meant only for the chatting and video calling and etc. That is not used in the Facebook. Like that, application software is only meant for a particular task. And now come to the system software. System software controls a computer's internal functioning chiefly through an operating system and also controls such peripherals as monitors, printers, and storage devices, etc. System software is a set of programs which operates the hardware through operating system. In the later we will learn what is an operating system and how many types of operating system are there. But a system software is a set of programs to operate the hardware, means monitors, printers, storage devices, etc. Without this system software, we can't do anything. To develop a application software, also we are using these system softwares. Now I will give some differences between application software and a system software. Students, listen this video carefully and write down the definitions of hardware, software, and interrelation between software and hardware, and the definition of application software and the definition of system software. Subscribe this channel to get the notifications. Thank you.